अब हम आपको ये बताना चाहते हैं कि हम दोनों ने किस तरह के garments पहने हैं. Well, this is a Kirti Rathore creation that I'm wearing, and she's wearing her own garment. And all you ladies there, you must be wondering what occasion you can wear these two garments. Well, both these garments, both these lehengas and this wonderful anarkali is meant for संगीत occasion. जब summers में संगीत occasion होता है, जब summer weddings होती हैं, everyone wants to enjoy संगीत. There is music, there is dance, and everyone wants to look beautiful. So what I am wearing is basically for संगीत occasions.
Yes.
On summer weddings,
Yes,
right?
and I must say you're looking superbly gorgeous,
Thank
Prachi,
you so
in this.
much. So are you. So can you please tell me something about the garment?
This we've done in shaded, two colors. One is fuchsia pink and the other is orange. To break the image of the garment, we've given two colors, and if you see, there are these velvet flowers which have been given on the work over here to again give a enhancement and break the embroidery image. So here it is embellished with Zardozi sequins and these velvet flowers.
So this is a perfect combination of colors when it comes to summer wedding sangeets. Sangeets happening on summer weddings. This is a perfect color combination, orange and pink. And what about your garment? You look absolutely great in this golden and magenta, copper brown, I must say, anarkali. So tell me something about this garment.
Prachi, this is like a completely handcrafted Gotapati work outfit. We've given this design like these Chand Balis used to be there in olden times with the jewelry over here. So we've given a design of a Chand Bali with the Gotapati, and to enhance this we've given this shaded shibori print over here, so that it gives a perfect look of a Sangeet outfit.
Alright, thank you so much Kirti ji, and thank you for sharing so much with us, and thank you for this lovely garment. मतलब इतना खूबसूरत garment मुझे पहनने को मिलेगा, और वो भी अपनी संगीत पर नहीं, मैं सिर्फ ओकेजन पे पहनी हूँ, just for Kirti Rathore, and it is looking so beautiful, and she looks so gorgeous, and I'm sure each one of you who's waiting to get married in the season of summer, this season, you know what to wear, what to choose when it comes to weddings, and you also know what to wear when it comes to daily life of yours, and probably for meetings. Every girl out there knows what to wear and which colors to pick up.